So GTC is wrapping up here. And the weather today is certainly better than on the first day. The Irish weather is gone. It's been a fascinating 5 days. Now this is my first GTC, so I didn't know what to expect. It's been fairly impressive. Key takeaway, AI factories. Jensen said in the keynote, and we had a press event with him as well, AI is an industry. And it needs to be treated like any other industry. It will require resources, it will require skills, it will require energy, and it needs its own factories. Now you can turn around and say, well, when you say AI factory, you're just meaning a data center. But having been running around the exhibition hall here and seeing the technology and the racks and the water cooling that are going into the new AI factories, this is new. It really is new. It's very different. Throw in their new Dynamo, the operating system for the factory, AI factory. And then look at what they've done with Omniverse. You know, when I saw physical AI first and how they're doing the foundational models and the blueprints and NIMS, MIMS, and, it was impressive. That's now being done in the energy industry. Chatting with all the folks here, the energy team from NVIDIA, what the 𝗹𝗶𝗸𝗲 announced yesterday, foundational models for grid. It's different. This is impressive. They've done all the plumbing, and now you can just start building out the foundational models, the AI for different industries. But yeah, the key takeaway, AI factories. AI is its own industry. Anyway, thanks again to Irena and the NVIDIA EMEA team for the invite. It's been a fascinating few days. A lot to mull over. Anyway, next up for me, off to Dallas on Sunday for DistribuTech. So I bet AI will be a hot topic there as well.